to get yourself rewarded from this community building platform of Right BNB. There are 12 packages, namely beginner. You started with 0.0044 BNB, and then influencer, achiever, ambassador, pioneer, mentor, champion, director, titan, icon, legend, emperor. There are three types of earning this platform gives us. You have a choice to upgrade yourself in two different ways, because we all are the co-owners of this platform. We are the decision makers. So whichever way you are comfortable in, you can proceed further with. You have a choice to upgrade certain ranks all together in one go. Like you entered with beginner, and you can upgrade several ranks all together in one go, like influencer, achiever, ambassador, pioneer, mentor, 6 ranks, right from including the beginner. You can straight away upgrade, or maybe you can go to emperor, maybe you can upgrade till champion, director. So that's a one go upgradation process. In this case, you have to pay the upgrade fees, of course, from your own pocket, but the reward is also going to be very fast and much more. There is another option. You can earn from the platform, and you can upgrade using the earn money from the platform. So you can go step by step. You started with beginner, then you can upgrade to influencer, then to achiever, then to ambassador, step by step process. Here the earning would be slow, and maybe you will lose out some of the profits which you might have earned from your community members. So choice is yours. We strongly recommend to upgrade few levels and ranks in one go in advance, because that is really going to make you earn faster and bigger profits you'll be making. So packages are very important. You start with 0.0044 BNB, less than $3. Then you have to keep your levels upgraded. The early you upgrade, the better profits and faster profits you will make. Then you have to have minimum compulsorily 2 direct referrals. Minimum 2 direct referrals are compulsory into this platform. If you're not going to refer, guys, 2 direct referrals, definitely you are not going to make profits. And these 2 guys whom you are going to bring into the system, they are good people. They are further going to at least introduce their own 2 direct referrals, and the process has to be duplicated. If you do this, trust me, you are going to be millionaires from Right BNB. Without any risk, without any liability, without any scam, everyone is going to have a win-win platform from Right BNB. What is the direct income? There are 3 types of jaw-dropping profit this platform gives us. And what is the direct income? We are getting here 100% direct referral income, the best in the class and in industry. The first person you're going to refer, we will get 100% almost 0.004 BNB direct referral income. The second person we will introduce, we will get again from the second person 0.004 BNB. So whatever we have started with 0.004, we have almost got double of that by just referring 2 people into the system. So direct referral income is 0.004, and it's going to be for unlimited number of directs. Minimum is 2, but you can refer as many as you can. That's the first thing. Second good thing about Right BNB, which I wanted to highlight over here, because that is the biggest USP of this program. This is the platform for all kind of people, all kind of users, active users, people who want to work, who love to work, people who just want to earn passive income, people who just want to enjoy non-working income. Though I always believe there's nothing like non-working and income, but because the law of nature, universe tells us that we have to earn everything in this world, right from the love, respect, and of course the money, the materialistic stuff, everything. But here Right BNB opportunity allows everyone to earn passively also. How does it happen? Because it has got the community placement system very uniquely designed, and that's in a particular algorithmic way the smart contract does this job for us. It's a binary auto spill placement, guys, and the algorithm that the smart contract follow here is top to bottom, left to right. The placement happens here. Whosoever anyone is going to bring into the platform are going to be placed from top to bottom, left to right. Whichever is the empty vacant space, the smart contract is going to place that user under that person at that spot. That's how the placement happens. And everyone above those guys are going to be benefited and rewarded. That's a very unique way of placing the community members That allows everyone to earn passive income also. Suppose you joined here, everyone has to refer two direct referrals. So you introduce person number one, got placed on the left. You introduce person number right, got placed on the right side. And then suppose you one and two, they did their own two directs. So they will be getting placed left, right under one, and 5, 6 will get placed on the left, right of two. Suppose these two guys did not become active and you are going to refer 4 more people after 1 and 2, then they are all going to be placed from left to right, top to bottom in this way. The third person will get placed on the left of one, fourth will get placed on the right of one, likewise. Okay, so here the good thing which you must understand here is everyone is going to be placed in a binary format. Everyone is going to have maximum 2 people under him or her, and every level is going to have double the number of people as compared to the previous level. So first level under you will have 2 people, second level will have 4 people, third level will have 8 people, fourth level will have 16 people, up till 12 level, wherein 4,096 people will be added, will be placed accordingly by yourself, by your downlines, indirect downlines, through your uplines, through your super upline, through your grand upline, likewise. Okay, so from level number 1, if they are your 2 direct referral, you are going to earn 0.004 BNB. That will let you earn 0.008 BNB altogether. Level number 2 will have 4 people max. Now, big question here, you must ask, who are going to bring in those 4 people? I already told you, there could be a case that 1 and 2 refer these two guys each, their own direct referrals. There can be possibility you refer all the 4 guys here. There can be another possibility, your uplines, your senior uplines are going to put their, more than 2 directs, so who will be, getting placed here. So whichever way it happens, your second level are going to have maximum 4 people. And when these 4 guys are going to upgrade for level 2, you must understand, right? BNB is all about upgrading your levels and ranks by the community members who are getting placed under you. And why do they upgrade? Because everyone has to upgrade to get the profits, benefits, and rewards from the community members. So everyone for their self benefits will be upgrading. So when these 4 guys are going to upgrade for level number 2, second rank, influencer rank, they all are going to pay you 0.006 BNB. So you will earn 0.024 BNB like this. So here, now let me show you through our level income program, how actually it works. This is the second income, level upgradation earning program, level income in short we call it. When you join here, you are at beginner rank. When you refer 2 people, you got 0.008 BNB from those 2 referral. And then what you are supposed to do, you are going to upgrade. Here we are making one assumption, ladies and gentlemen. Everyone starts with just 0.0044 BNB, equivalent to less than $3. Everyone brings in just 2 direct referral, only 2 direct referrals. And I'm going to show you a calculation through which you will be amazed to know that from 12 levels under your community, under you, through your community, you are going to earn up to 35,000 BNB. Up to 35,000 BNB. How it's going to be possible? Let me take you quickly to the level income, and then I will share with you through whiteboard also. So when your 2 direct referrals are going to be introduced by you and you got enough money to upgrade for second level influencer rank, who is going to earn this influencer income on your upgradation? The smart contract will instantly give this, your upgrade fee, to your second level upline, the level for which you are upgrading. The same level upline will receive the fund. The beauty in right BNB is everything is getting distributed, disbursed instantly here. No holding of funds in the smart contract. That makes it a uniquely unique platform, unique reward giving platform. So similarly, 4 people will be at your level 2 when these 4 guys are going to upgrade for their own benefit for second level influencer level. They all are going to pay you 0.006 BNB. Why? Because you are the second level upline for these 4 people, and that's how you're going to earn 0.024 BNB, out of which you're going to pay the third level upgrade, achiever rank, which will be paid to your third level upline. So, it works like this way. Let me show you via whiteboard, which will be very, very clear to all of you. Now, you must understand one thing here. No, I'm just going to show in 2 parts. Here is your upline. This is you. Your first level will have only 2 people. Please understand this. I'm drawing it quickly. So, my circle will not be very perfect, but don't worry, just ignore the drawing. Just try to understand the concept, which is really going to make you millionaire via this concept, okay? So everyone is going to have two people each at several levels. This is your level number one. This is your level number one. Okay. This is level number one. This is level number two. This is level number two. This is level number three. Now you can see here, every level, the users are getting double from the previous level. Now, if you are being sponsored by this guy, then definitely this person will get the direct referral income on you. Similarly, if you are going to refer these two guys under you at your level number one, you are going to earn 0.044 BNB, 0.004 BNB from these two referrals. But from level number two onwards, when these four people are going to upgrade for influencer rank, when these four people are going to upgrade, you are going to be paid 0.006 BNB on these direct ref. On your second level people when they are upgrading. Similarly, when 8 people like here, when they are upgrading for achiever rank, they are upgrading for, they are going to pay 0.012 BNB to all of you. So people placed at several levels, right from level number 2 till level number 12. All people, like first level people, user will have only 2 people, second level will have 4, third will have 8, fourth will have 16, fifth will have 32. Likewise, when these people are going to be, upgrade for several ranks and levels for their own benefits and sake, you are going to be paid accordingly. That's the good thing about Right BNB. Now I'm going to explain this in more detail via PDF. So you can see here, right from the level number 3, when 8 people are going to upgrade for achiever in your tree, they all are going to pay you this amount, which total will become 0.096 BNB. So people placed at level number 2 to level number 12, when they all are going to upgrade for ambassador, 16 people are going to pay you 0.024 BNB, which will become 0.384 BNB. Guys, you can see here from the first 3 levels, the incomes are not very good. But from 4th level onwards, you will see the incomes are really going very bigger. 32 people at level 4 placed, when they will upgrade for Pioneer rank, they all are going to pay you 0.048 BNB, which will be 1.5 BNB. 64 people placed at level 6, when they upgrade for their benefits for Metro rank, they all are going to pay you 0.096 BNB, which will become 6.11 BNB. So likewise, you are just upgrading and paying only once for all the ranks. Like for influencer, you are paying once, achiever, you are paying once. But understand this, you are getting paid 4 times from 4 people for influencer upgrade. You are going to be paid 8 times through 8 different people for achiever upgrade. So you are receiving multiple payments for the same rank. In your case, you are paying only once, but when people placed at those levels are upgrading, they all are going to pay you the same funds again and again. Influencer from 4 till Emperor 4096. Total altogether from 12 levels, 8,190 people are going to make you earn 35,000 BNB approximately. And remember this, you are not paying your upgrade fee from your own pocket if you go through the upgradation only from the earned money you are making from the platform. Okay, so this is the biggest thing. If you achieve 10% of this also, that is 3,500 BNB. If you achieve 1% of this also, that is 350 BNB. And as Al-Hassan mentioned in his early presentation, that people in Right BNB have already minted, mined, earned more than 100 BNB, more than 200 BNB, more than 10 BNB, more than 50 BNB, more than 1 BNB, which is very, very good income. Risk-free, liability-free, scam-free, huge earning opportunity. Level income is really going to make you rich. But you have to understand how the platform works. It's a level upgradation plan. When people getting placed at your level number 2 to level number 12, when they upgrade for their own level or ranks, they are going to pay you the upgrade fee. And you are not only earning from level number 12. In fact, you are going to earn from level number till level number 24 from the platform. We do discuss about this in our training session. Everything we cannot share. It will be too much information for the newbies. It's a new presentation for the new people, guests who have joined our this Zoom session very first time to know about Right BNB. In training session, we discuss all these things in detail. So we are getting paid up till level number 24 from the platform. Then the third income from the system here is the royalty income. Royalty is also a very good income. When everyone achieve top 3 ranks, they are going to get royalty. Icon, Legend, and Emperor. These are the 3 top ranks. They are getting royalty daily. How do they get this royalty? To become Icon, you have to pay the total upgrade fee right from the beginner to Icon 3 BNB. Legend, you are supposed to pay total upgrade fee 6.28 BNB. For Emperor, it is 12.5 BNB. So when you hit this rank, either through a single short payment after beginner, or maybe you can go step by step, you're liable to get this royalty income. 1% what the smart contract, 1% of the total fund the smart contract receives, okay, in 24 hours through activations of the account and upgradation of the account. 1% of that is being divided into 3 different ratios: 35% kept separately for Icon and Legion achievers distribution, 30% for Emperor distribution. And these guys, these achievers, Icon, Legion, Emperor, keeps getting this royalty daily until they receive 1.5x of the total fees they have paid to the smart contract. So in Icon case, 4.5 BNB Icon will receive because they paid 3 BNB fees. Legend will receive almost 9 BNB, and Emperor is going to get almost 19 BNB. That's a royalty, unconditional. You just hit the target and you're going to get daily royalty. And trust me, ladies and gentlemen, right now the BNB is $607 or $8. In next 1 to 2 years time, due to its multi-usability in crypto space, BNB is said to be the Ethereum killer, and it's going to hit $2,000, $2,500, $3,000. So whatever, if we talk about from the royalty only, if you are going to earn 4 BNB, 5 BNB, 9 BNB, 19 BNB, it is going to be thousands of dollars of BNB in time to come, when the BNB is going to be appreciated in next 1 to 2 years time. Other income, level income, which is a very, very big income, is really going to be huge. So, this is the royalty income program from the Right BNB, which is really amazingly, created by the makers and owners of Right BNB. And why Right BNB? Al Hassan has already explained to you. Least, amount of entry cost. Okay, lowest entry cost in the industry. OPBNB blockchain, negligible nil amount of gas fee it uses. Lightning fast transaction speed. Huge profitability, no risk, no liability, totally community-driven platform, unique concept. It's a concept platform of not the decade, rather it's a platform of the century. Okay, Right BNB Future project also makes it a must-do, indispensable system for all of us, because it's not only the community building system. Right BNB creator and makers have already made their roadmaps, and these roadmap projects, platforms are going to be introduced for us. When they will be launched and introduced, our community genealogy will remain same. And when all of us will participate here in these projects, which could be gaming token, gaming projects, exchanges, their own blockchains, trading bots, NFT related systems, we are going to be benefited through our community members through these projects also. So Right BNB is not only a not only a community building system, but also through the future projects, you, me, and our members are really going to be profited and benefited in long run. So this is what, ladies and gentlemen, the presentation of Right BNB. If you're having now